Print mass checks automatically. Following there are two parts. Part A, MS Excel file, and Part B, MS Word file. Part A. Open the MS Excel file. The Excel file consists of 3 sheets. Read this. Initial data. And the sheet. Names. This sheet explains how to have macros enabled to gain access and work in this spreadsheet, and to read the disclaimers notice. Go to Sheet tab, Initial Data. Complete the necessary data before you continue. These data will appear on the checks. Enter your company name or your name. Choose the date of the checks from the drop-down lists. Next, click to choose the date format. Then, click to choose checks currency. And next, click to choose if you want the names on the checks to be normal letters or capital letters. After completing that, we go to Sheet, Names, Enter, or Paste, the payee names, and the check amount for each one. In this case, we copy and paste the names and the amounts from a different spreadsheet. We use the paste values to keep the format of the sheet. You can also enter notes, check serial number, bank name, and different check date for a specific payee. You can press the button, Print Current List, to print your list for your records. It is important that you save the file before going to Part B, opening the MS Word file. Part B. Open the MS Word file. There are 4 MS Word files to choose from. Choose the one that suits your needs. Enter the password for the first time if you want modifications to the file. Click Yes to make the connection to the Excel file. Connect this MS Word file to the MS Excel file, the data source file. This procedure will be made for only the first time. Easy step-by-step explanations are given in the manual. You can adjust the position of the fields to fit on your checks. Once you find the size of your checks and the field's position on your check, then everything is done. Also, you can change the fields as shown in page 10 of the manual. Click in an existing field if you want to change or insert new fields. Then, click on Insert Merge Fields, choose the field that fits your needs and delete the old field. To see how it looks like, click the preview results and use the arrow buttons. Click the preview results, and use the arrow buttons, to see how it works. Click the Finish and Merge button, and click the Print Documents. To print the checks, print a sample check to print first, by choosing from, to. For example from 1 to 1, to print the first check. Adjust your checks to the printer, and print sample checks first. If everything looked good on the checks, then print all your checks. Thanks for watching.